Hello there, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about a special letter. Now I am going to go hunting for that letter. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. We're looking for our special letter. Let us go and find it. So I'm going hunting for that letter. Ooh, here it is. Who can tell me which letter is this? It is the letter J. Very good. Now we are going to make the sound that letter J makes. The J says J, J, J. So you have to put your teeth together like this. J, J, J. The J says J. Every letter makes a sound. The J says J, 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 J. Nice. Now when you say the J sound, you hear it when you call some words. Now we're going to call some words that begin with the J sound. Here we have a juice. You hear the J sound at the beginning of that word? Yes. Juice. Jam. Yes. Jar. Jug. Jacket. Yes. When you call those words, you hear a J sound at the beginning of those words. So we're going to look for, and we have uppercase J and lowercase j. Uppercase J or the capital J, lowercase j and the common J. Put your finger in the air. We're going to form some uppercase and lowercase J's. Let's go. Across, get in the middle. Hook it like that. Let's go. Across, go in the middle. Down and hook it. Uppercase J. Let's make the lowercase j. Down and hook. Let's go. Down and then hook it. Then a dot at the top. That is the lowercase j. Let's go again. Across at the top. Find the middle. Go right down. Then take it up a little. That is the letter J. Let's go. Across at the top. Find the middle. Take it down, then up a little. That is the letter J, like this. Across, find the middle, take it down and up with it, like a hook. Lowercase j, dot at the top. That is the letter J. Now we're going to find the words that begin all the objects that start with the letter J. So here I have the juice. Now I am going to find the word juice. So here I have some words on the table and I'm going to search and find the word juice. Wow, is this the word juice? I'm going to stick it on right there. That is the word juice. Let's go on it again for the jam. I'm searching for the word jam. Is this the word jam? Jam. Paste it right there. Great activity. Now, I found a jar. I am going to search for the word jar. Stick it right there. That's the word jar. Now, here I find a jug. All right, and we can pour juice in our jug. Very good. So we can drink it. Now, I am going to look for the word jar. Searching for the word, no, it's not jar, jug. So here we're going to look for the word jug. This is our jug. And here we have a jug. Jug. Here we have our jug. Now we found a jacket. Now we are going to hunt for the word jacket. And paste it right here. So we have jacket. 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 Jar. Jam. Juice. Jug. Now on the board we have all those words. So we have, let's call them again. Jar. So you're going to draw a picture of your jar. Jug. Draw a picture of the jug. Jet. Draw a picture of the jet. Jacket. Jam. Juice. Do you hear a J sound when we call those words? Let's go again. Jar, jug, jet, jacket, jam, juice. So we're talking about the letter J, and the J says J. And we are also talking about some words that begin with the J sound, like jar, jug, juice, jacket, jet. When you call the words, you hear a J sound. J, 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 jacket, J, 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 jam, J, 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 juice, J,